Can the Dwarf Mini really handle 3-minute exposures? I tested it again, and here's what happened.
You saw me doing my last video of my testing. I genuinely tested it and it didn't work because I have to get that perfect alignment. Perfect, which was not easy, okay? The scene conditions are much better, so that made a difference too. But I have a different story right now. Let's see, Dwarf Mini, 120 seconds and 180. So my friends have been telling me to do that. You need to do the perfect alignment. It's not excellent. You have to be perfect. I'm going to try. And the lens is pointing up and it seems to be good. It's a relatively clear night. Now I have the moon right here interfering, so I am going to aim to the west.
Make stars as small and sharp as possible, locking focus at the optimal point.
Okay, focusing is good. Let's just go ahead and start quick on the EQ mode. And I am ready with all that. Location is ready. Let's see what happens. It should be relatively close as I leave the tripod with the ball head in that angle, that position. I don't change it when I am around the house. Okay, so let's see, 10 down and 10 degrees to the right. That's not bad. And remember, one of the things that is different from the other telescopes, 2 and 3, is that this Mini, it's better to have the telescope pointing up. So 2 degrees to the right, 5 degrees to the right, 2 degrees down. We're very close. Let's see if I can get perfect alignment based on my friends, Dan and other ones have been putting comments. Thank you so much for all the comments. You guys really help me because I don't know everything. Oh, there you go. So now I have excellent alignment. So now it's time to be more precise. So just to be more precise is telling me, interesting, 3 to the right, and 3 degrees up. Not expecting that at all. I thought it was going to be really, really fine tuning. Excellent alignment, no, so I want to be more precise. Please continue adjusting. Now it's just telling me to go 3 degrees now to the other side, which is good, it's encouraging. Okay, excellent alignment, no. So now we continue into more precise. Now 1 degree down, that's all it is, that's nothing. This is very, very precise, so I may have to have a different mount, a different wedge here. Oh, perfect alignment. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Now it's time to check the parameters. And of course, I didn't follow my own advice. And I forgot to take the 180 seconds dark frames.
120/60.
I am ready to start the imaging session with the Flaming Star Nebula, and guess what? Another update database for the Sky Atlas. It terrifies me as I didn't want to stop. I didn't know what to do, so I just let the process finish, and thank God it didn't affect anything, as I did not want to lose that perfect alignment. The stars and the tracking looks very good, so I can wait to see my first image. And it's going to be 120 seconds, gain 60. And there you go. It's absolutely beautiful. I think the stars look great. I am impressed with it. I am about to get on the second frame here, and this is very good. Then after this one, what I'll do is I'll do 180 seconds darks.
before I go to the next target. Stars are rounded. Of course, they're going to be bloated and there's going to be chromatic aberration. But I can fix that with Stellar Studio or PixInsight. We'll see the stars look great and we're going to see what happens with the editing. I'm not going to edit right now, but I am going to go for another target. For that, I need to take new darks. Another situation here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and stop tracking here. And I want to add the 180. I need to go and cover the lens real quick. Taking the darks took a while and I didn't follow my own advice to do it in advance. I was worried that it can affect my perfect alignment, but it did not. Good. I am going for the running Man Nebula. Let me just go ahead and do this one. It's very easy to do, as all I'm doing right now is just testing 180 seconds. Easy target, and I just want to test and see what is going to happen. Great position for the telescope right now. Let's check, be sure that everything is in focus. Let me go into the parameters, quick apply, and I am going into 180, 60. That's a lot for the Running Man Nebula. Let me just do 1 hour, 25 frames, an hour and 15 minutes. That should be good. It's very late now, but we'll see what is going to happen. 180 seconds. Come on, bring it. This is going to be interesting, and let's do the initializing and I'm not sure if this is just part of the calibration or getting ready there to start. Yep, that's exactly what it is. So we'll see what happens. 180 seconds. Okay. God, I'm a little nervous about it. So 180 may be too much. Let's see what happens. I have perfect alignment. The conditions are very good. But also it's possible that the telescope needs to settle a little bit. It can take a few seconds. And hopefully on the second frame, I get a better result. This happens with the big telescopes too. So after the second image, look at that. It's holding it. So 180. I'm sorry, Minnie. I guess I was wrong. Wow. The stars are bloated, but that's kind of like we always see. So this is going to be very exciting, and we'll see what happens at the end. 180 seconds with perfect alignment and in a pretty clear night. It's not perfect seeing conditions, but it's the best one in many weeks. Well, I give myself a 50-50 on my prior video, as I failed on the 120, 180 images, but that's exactly what is going to happen to most of the people, that they don't have advanced knowledge in astrophotography and they have to do these other steps. And that is the whole point of these videos, is to always show for the beginners, the people that are buying these telescopes, smart telescopes, just to want things that are very simple. But for the ones that are a little bit more advanced, like myself, then we can do perfect alignment and get those images at the highest capacity, which is right now 180 seconds for the Dwarf Mini.